Hello. Welcome back to my channel Maison Network with me, Dior Shaari. This is actually my favorite, most favorite actually, the foaming hand soap by Bath and Body Works and Mahogany Taekwood. Few others also, but this is one of it. And yeah, before we look into the details, I mean this is unboxing. It's already unboxed, but before we go to the behind and everything, let's go into some of the pictures from the website itself. Pictures and also the pictures on one, and then the description. Yeah. So okay. Like that. Okay. Okay, so let's look into the product. Okay. It smells very manly, and if you use it, people will actually maybe attract to you. Who knows? And I bought from Malaysia, so this is the imported distributed by this. Let's see. All right. Yeah. So that's it, unboxing from me, and it's actually when you press it, and it will be the foam. It's very thick foam. It's very nice, and you can watch other videos also if you interested. But I couldn't make it here, so thank you very much for watching. If you're interested, maybe I will put link below the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.